How to get Viber for desktop or your tablet on your Viber. So in this video I will tell you guys how to do this. Just follow me in this video till the end. So first guys, you need to go and open your Viber. Then you have to come directly and open this three line at the bottom of the screen, or 3 points. Then come to your settings. So right here on your settings, open the first option and go to the third, desktop and tablet. So right now what you should do guys, to open your Viber on your laptop for example, you have just to click here and it will open your camera like this. For example, this is my laptop. So you will just open like Viber, open Viber site, and then you will show like QR code here. You have to scan it like this and then it will link directly. So that's it in this video guys. I hope it's useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.